Welcome to another Reloader Joe video. Today we're going to be shooting your uncle's 10-22. He asked us to sight it in for him, so we're going to do that, and we're going to start out at 25 yards. We're going to then back it out to 50, but we're going to let you do the shooting.
Yeah.
All right, so you're going to sight this rifle in for your uncle.
Yep. You're
going to sight it in. We mounted the scope. We don't have a bore sight, so we're going to start it close to make sure we're hitting the paper. So we'll let's just hop right in and get to it.
Okay, so we're going to be shooting the Ruger 10-22 at the target at 25 yards. We'll be shooting the Remington 22 golden bullets. I'm going to make sure the gun's on safety. Is it? Yeah, it's on safety. Okay, so open that up. Bam.
Those little 10-22 mags are kind of fiddly to load.
Yeah. There we go. Okay, we've got our magazine loaded, and let's get to it.
You know how it sticks? You should stick it,
Yeah.
It'll pop in, and you can just rack the clip like I was doing on the camp carbine, you know?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. Let's put our ears on.
I got mine on.
Okay. Ready?
All right, I'm ready.
And
Okay. Hang on. I see a duck.
where?
Okay, they're out of the way.
Okay.
Okay. I'll look through the spotting scope and fire when ready. Aim for the very dead center.
Okay.
Oh, okay.
Again?
Nope. You are just 2 inches high. Can you see it in the scope? All right, well, there's the first shot.
Right there.
So you are 2 inches high and about an inch over.
Yeah.
So we were looking at the scope, and this particular scope that he's got on his 10-22, your uncle,
Yeah.
it says 1/2 inch at 100 yards. So
Yeah.
it's not
So-
one of the quarter MOAs, it's a half MOA scope.
So
So
we would need to move it 8 clicks. Wait. So
it,
4 clicks
it,
2
it-
clicks over would be 1 inch.
well, that's at 100 yards.
That's not 100 yards.
So we need to multiply that by 4.
So 8.
16 down, and since it's not quite at an inch, let's do 6 to the left and 16 down and see where it puts it.
Yeah.
Okay, all right, let's go do. So you see how it has, it says
Is
up,
that way?
so you don't want to go up, you want to go the
Opposite direction.
yeah, and that should move the
So
point of impact down. So
16 clicks.
16 clicks, and listen for it.
There.
Was that it?
Yep.
Okay. And on
8
the other
clicks.
side, what does it say? Left.
Left.
And do you need to, we need it to go left, don't we?
Yeah, so
Okay.
left. 8 clicks.
6. Let's try 6 because it wasn't quite an inch.
Okay, so
Okay.
there we go.
Okay. You
What's
did
it?
it. You ready to take the next shot?
Yep.
Okay.
I think that was the first time I've ever did that.
Well, you're going to be able to tell them that you sighted this in all on your own.
Yeah.
Okay.
We're ready to take our next shot, and yeah, let's do this.
Let's do it.
Go.
Fire when ready.
Oh, that was a good shot.
Do you see that?
Yes.
Oh yeah, we're not gonna mess with that.
That is a good shot.
Yeah,
It's-
let's You know, look at that. That's pretty good. You did good, son.
Yeah.
So let's leave it alone. And since we're gonna, you know, being a 22, we'll just sight it in at 50 yards. We'll leave that there. But let's see how the rest of these group. You want to put some more shots there and see if you can make that hole a little bigger? Okay.
We'll see you back down there. We're gonna finish off these last 3 shots and see how they group. Here we go.
Well, fire when ready.
Okay.
It's touching.
Again?
Oh yeah.
Okay.
Oh yeah.
3 shots.
You pulled that second one. The other 3 are touching.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Safety's on.
Well, let's load 5 more and let's shoot one of the other targets on there. Okay.
Okay. We're gonna send 5 more to the bottom right target and see how it goes. Good. There.
All right. Fire when ready. Okay.
And 5.
Can you see it in your scope?
Yeah,
What do you think?
that's a pretty good group, I guess.
Well, let's go show them.
We'll see you guys down there. Holy cow, that's a good group.
You got 5 right there, huh?
Yeah.
Oh, and look,
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
and there's your other 3 we shot right there.
Yep.
4. 1,
4.
2. Yeah, there's 4 down there.
Wait.
There's the 5th one.
Oh,
That was
yeah.
the very first one, and then your other 4.
4.
Because we've been loading.
Because 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, yeah.
Yeah, we were loading 5 in the magazine each time.
Yeah.
So yeah,
That is a really good group.
not bad.
No.
That's a cheap scope he's got on there.
Yeah.
It doesn't even have a name on it. It just says 4x28. It's a 4 power. So, well, I think it's time we move this back to 50 yards, and you got 3 more bullseyes on that target.
Yeah.
So let's see what it looks like.
We just moved the target back to 50 yards. Let's do this.
So you're gonna shoot 5
I'm going to shoot 5
at the.
at the bottom left.
Okay, you got 5 loaded.
Yep.
All right, let's see how they look.
There we go.
All right, fire when ready. Hey,
And is there one more?
okay.
Yeah, okay.
What do you think? Can you see it?
That looks really good. That looks good. Can see them. I think a few of them are dead center.
I don't know. You got a couple touching. Load 5 more.
We've got 5 loaded, and now we're gonna shoot the upper right. So we'll see how they look, how the group looks.
The wind's kind of gusty today.
Yeah. So we've got 5 loaded, and now we're gonna shoot the upper to left. So we'll see how the group is. So there we go. Okay.
Fire when ready. Looking good. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. You see that? You should be able to see that pretty good in there because it's like one big hole.
Oh yeah, I did. Oh wow. Let's go check these groups out. Those are some pretty good.
Well, look at that one right there. That last group.
That is probably the
50
that is
yards.
The best.
Yeah.
50
Little
yards.
1022 Remington ammo.
That's
And
rabbit or squirrel.
oh yeah, a little cheap no-name scope.
Yeah.
And so your first group at 50 yards is right there.
Yes, that one.
And your second group
one.
was still, and you did something different
I
there.
don't know what I did.
You don't know what you did?
No.
You want to put up a new target and try it again?
Yeah.
Let's do that. Let's shoot another group.
We'll move it a few notches down.
Yeah, let's move it 2 clicks down, and let's also try that box of Winchester ammo he gave you.
Yeah.
Okay.
We'll reset this target and be right back. So we just gave 2 clicks down on the scope. So we're gonna fire 5 more at the target set up at 50 yards upper left. Then we're gonna switch to the Winchester 22 long rifle, 40 grain, 1300 FPS.
Feet per second. What do they say? Super X?
Super X.
Oh, hold them up here.
So we'll be shooting that next.
You know, I don't think we're going to get any better than that last group with those Remington golden bullets.
Yeah.
But we'll shoot those Winchesters since they're your uncle's and he wants to see how those shoot too.
Yeah.
But I think he's going to end up using those golden bullets.
Maybe.
So, well, let's see how it goes with. Are you loaded?
Yep.
And what's in there?
5 of the Remington golden bullet.
Okay.
There we go.
So what we'll do is you can shoot the upper left because when we shoot the Winchesters, we want to shoot those dead center because we don't know if they're going to where they're going to hit, but we know where the Remingtons are hitting. So upper left for the Remington.
Upper left.
And then when we switch to Winchesters, we'll do dead center.
Okay.
Okay. You ready?
Yep. Yep.
Don't forget your safety.
Don't forget safety.
And don't forget to rack one, did you?
Okay.
There you go.
Upper left, right?
Yep.
Okay.
They're kind of high. You had one like right next to the bullseye, but the others are still high.
Yeah.
I think you need to go ahead and put the Winchesters in there and see how they look.
Yeah.
And take your time firing.
Yeah.
Those Winchester Wildcats were just full of duds, those
Yeah.
boxes. Hopefully these are a little better quality.
Okay, so I've got 5 loaded. We'll shoot the middle of the target and see how it groups. So
Perfect.
let's do this.
These were 40 grain?
40 grain.
Well, the Remingtons were 40 grain too, so
Yeah.
we should be pretty close to the same spot. So, all right. Fire when ready. Hold your breath about before you squeeze. Yeah, see, that was way off. Do it at the same spot. Really? What? Those are all over the place. Okay.
Oh,
That's horrible. All right, we gotta, okay, just for comparison again, put 5 more of the Remingtons in there.
Remington. There we go. We got 5 loaded. We'll fire at the upper right.
Upper right. Sounds good.
Okay, so here we go.
Take your time, hold your breath. Dead center.
That might have been 5.
Oh yeah, that's it.
That's all?
Oh yeah, they're right all around the bullseye. Looks good. Well, I think we know which ammo we're going to be recommending.
Yeah.
Let's take everybody down there and show them this.
Yes.
Well, what do you think? So, where's your first group?
So, the first group was right here.
Remington Golden Bullet. And then
We did the Winchester.
40 grain Winchester Super X. And there's our
All over the
5-shot
place.
group.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
And then just in case, there is your second 5-shot group on this target with Remington Golden Bullet again.
Yeah.
And we moved the scope down 2 clicks down, and that put it right. I mean, you're right there. That's good.
That hit.
I know. Two right in the
touching.
bullseye. The orange circle's tiny at 50 yards.
Yeah.
That's what I'm trying to say, I
Like,
guess.
I could barely see that.
Mhm.
But like,
So what you have to try and kind of do is line the crosshairs
yeah,
up
that's what I tried.
right here. Is it sighted in?
I think it's about side.
I think that's good enough. I mean, you can't get any better. You're hitting, 50 yards. You got 3 right there. That's pretty good. Ruger 1022, huh?
Yeah.
So what do you think about that little rifle?
I like it.
Do you like it?
Yeah.
So we need to get you shooting like this with your Henry, huh?
Yeah.
We got to practice. Maybe we need to do another Henry video.
Yes.
Yeah.
It's been fun shooting this Ruger 1022. I think you're gonna have to get me one now, too.
You want? I think that can be arranged. Those are fun little guns, huh?
Yeah.
Fun little 22.
Oh yeah.
Fun shooting it?
Yep.
Yeah. What is up with the wind? This little rifle doesn't like that Winchester, does it?
No. Neither does the Henry.
That's yeah. This likes the Remington Golden Bullet though.
Yeah. Thanks for watching another Reloader Joe video. We'll see you next time.